Assalamualaikum students, I am Lamyea Alam. Hope all of you are well in this corner situation. We have been studying chapter 6 named Food for Good Health since last Tuesday. In our last class, we studied about a balanced diet, importance of balanced diet, nutrients and food items. Hope all of you are working very hard on your last class. Today we are going to learn something new. Those are food preservation, ways of food preservation, and importance of food preservation. At first, we will watch the video. Then we read our main book very carefully. After finishing these two steps, we will open our lecture sheet. So let's start our lecture 2. Our first topic is food preservation. What is food preservation? Food preservation means food kept from spoilage after harvest. We can preserve our food in 3 ways. Number 1, by sun drying. Number 2, by using cold storage. And number 3, by using salt, sugar, vinegar, oil, etc. So, first way of food preservation is by sun drying. What is sun drying? Sun drying is dried in the sun in order to prevent any kind of germs. We can preserve rice, wheat, pulses, these types of food items using this method. Our second way of food preservation is by cold storage. We kept our food in the refrigerator. Fish, meat, vegetable, fruits, these types of food items can be stored in these methods. Our last method of food preservation by using salt, sugar, vinegar or oil. What can we do in this method? We can mix our food with salt, sugar, vinegar and oil. These components prevent spoilage. Example, salted fish, jam, jelly, pickles, etc. Now we discuss our last topic, the importance of food preservation. Number 1, food preserving is very important because it makes seasonal food available throughout the year. Number 2, preserved food can add variety to our diet. Number 3, after preserving food, it's very easy to move food items from one place to another. Number 4, food preservation prevents spoilage of food. And number 5 is food preservation also helps us to stop wastage of any kind of food materials. So, in short, we can say that there are 5 important points related with food preservation. Number 1, seasonal foods are available throughout the year. Number 2, it can add variety to our diet. Number 3, it's very easy to transport preserved food. Number 4, it can prevent spoilage. And number 5 is it also stops wastage. This is the end of our today's lecture. In your lecture sheet, you have 5 questions with answer. Your responsibility is you have to memorize all the question answer. You can also write it in your home copy without taking any kind of help from lecture sheet. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.